Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We're starting a new video because Randy just found the love of his life. He's not recording now, but look what he found. Look at that. Is that gorgeous?
Ah, got it.
The issue is we can't turn off the light. The lights are off.
It's got an interlock. You've got to push it down on the shifter
okay.
to get it out of gear.
Yeah. But look at this.
Oh.
Let's wait. Let's get the full effect. The full effect of Randy climbing out of the Venice Vanderhall.
I lost weight. I'm down to 201.
There you
I
go.
was 220.
Wow, good for you.
I didn't do anything. I might have diabetes or something. Oh. Yeah, I still eat very bad foods.
Okay. Well, I don't know how to respond then. Congratulations or welcome to diabetes. I don't know. Yeah. Don't say that. Oh.
That's neutral. And I can't figure out how to make it go backwards. Now, I don't know. Dang it. I just did it.
You just had it a second ago.
This is dry. Okay. It's screwing with it. Does it look really awesome?
Yeah. Those headlights are nice.
Man. It's got an e-brake, so it's... Oh, that doesn't work. Okay. It's got 281 miles on it.
Why is it here?
I don't... Doesn't it look brand new?
Yeah.
You got your mirrors, you got your little window. Dude, I would totally try it.
None of us have seen anything like this before. My favorite part, look. It looks like a floating fender right there, right? Look over here. That's how she attaches. Look how pretty. Beautiful. Yeah, Randy's got the full thing on his video, on his YouTube channel. Heated seats even. Look how nice.
Do it.
That's nice.
Run it.
I don't know.
Oh, come on. Your audience wants to see it.
They want to see?
Yeah. And now you don't have to you don't have to learn like I did. You know how to work the shifter now.
Yeah. Okay. This is,
Well, that was far more graceful than
well, okay, this is a 42-year-old leg coming in here. Okay, maybe a little older than 42.
younger.
A little older than 42.
We're the same age?
I like this. We're not the same age.
I didn't think so.
I like. Look at this. Okay. To start it, just push here, and then push here.
Yeah.
And there it is. That is cool. Look at how cool this is.
Dude, I love it.
You need this in your life.
I can't afford it.
How much is this?
It says it's valued at 30 grand, and I don't
30
think
grand.
it's salvaged.
Yeah. That's kind of right in the middle
So
of
at the
your
auction,
view.
I'm going to say it probably go for what?
Yeah.
15, 20, yeah, 15,
Wow. Mikey loves Venice.
20. You want to go on it together?
Venice. Yeah.
You got better credit than me. You take out the mortgage, the loan.
Yeah.
Yeah, the mortgage.
The
on it.
mortgage, that's what it would be. Definitely. All right, that's the Venice. Venice. Hubba, hubba, hubba. Look what we found in the tubba. Yeah, right here. I don't know what I'm doing. Look at this. One of my favorite cars of all time. Yeah, this is E320, 2000, I think. And I love these cars. We weren't even supposed to see this, but we saw it. We came, we saw, we fell in love. She's got a dark past, is a good way to put it, right?
Nah, just
She's-
a couple bumps and bruises.
We have,
Character, man.
yeah. Oh,
Character.
somebody didn't want that to happen.
Yeah, they do
Not a
that
big
so you
deal.
don't get pictures of the tag in the
Oh.
photos they take.
Oh, okay. That's really a bad thing to show your tag, because I like
I
show
guess.
mine all the time.
I don't know.
I'm proud of my tags.
I mean, if you want to bad enough, you can
Yeah.
run someone's tag and find out where they live.
Okay.
So, that's why my tags go to a place I don't live.
Exactly.
Being that you're with the press, you can get a one of those blackouts. So when anybody runs your tag, even the police, it doesn't come back to anything.
Really?
Yeah.
You have to tell me about that
Yeah.
later. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, she's dead. There is
Well,
a key.
Pop the hood.
There is a key.
I'll throw a.
Okay. Randy. Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, crap.
Oh. Here we go. It's open.
Okay. Ow, I pulled that. Okay.
Mike, I might have to bid against you on this. She looks good under the hood.
Does she really?
She looks real good.
Look at the interior. The wood. Someone tried to get under here, so she may not shift. But she's listed as run and drive.
If you don't know, you can take a hammer and you can tap the shifter.
Where'd you learn that?
I saw some video on YouTube.
Okay. Look at this though. And it's the black interior, which is one of my favorites. Easy to replace. Windshield is good. The headliner is good. And we have power?
Dude, she looks good.
Okay, let's see. Let's just... Okay, here we go. Say a little prayer. Oh! Oh! That scared me. Wow.
That's dirty, man.
Yeah.
That is so dirty.
Because there's like 2 before and 2 after. There's like 2 and 2 on this car, I believe.
Oh, Lord.
So they probably... But look, it doesn't even move.
She runs great.
It doesn't even move.
You get straight pipes on it. You know, honestly, it'd be kind of
Yeah.
cool if you put straight pipes on it, cut off the muffler, and straight pipe out the back. Because
Yeah.
honestly, I think it sounds pretty mean. Especially
Yeah.
for a V6. It'd be fun.
I kind of like this car.
I love it.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Well,
Yeah,
that
this
still
is-
works.
How bad is it? Yeah, that's not bad at all. Dude, come
no,
on.
my other one's worse.
It actually didn't damage, I don't think, much of the inside here.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not full of water. The fan is still good.
Yeah.
The mufflers are bent to hell. That's what I was saying. You probably have to just cut them off.
Oh
I don't know
yeah.
if they're bent or if they're just dangling.
Yeah. But she started right up. And these are everywhere in the salvage yards. Everywhere. There's a ton of these cars.
Well, I'm going to bid against you on this one.
All right. May the best man win,
Yeah.
which will be Randy.
No.
His pockets are much deeper.
I'm just saying it. Someone's going to be bidding on it. You're going to think it's me.
Yeah.
You're going to be bidding against somebody else. Meanwhile, I'm just going to sit back and laugh when you pay $1,200 for this thing. I don't know. What do you think this is worth?
I don't know. I literally sold the white one for 18 and I had 50 emails within 2 hours.
Was it a clean title?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll bet this could still bring 15 plus.
Yeah. Yeah. All day.
Yeah. Replace that trunk with another silver one. Bang it out a little bit.
Yeah. But I wonder how many of the cats are gone.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
I would assume all of them,
Yeah.
just to be safe.
Because
assuming
that's
they're all gone.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're gonna mark it. I'll put a little bit in today and see what
That
happens.
is not true. Cats are right there.
What is it then?
Cats are right there. And cats are right there as well.
So is it just back here? Like the
Something
crossover
is
pipe or
missing.
something?
Yeah, maybe something is.
Okay, let's look.
It's got the uppers.
Okay.
Oh, the lowers.
Oh,
Just the lowers, man. Those aren't the important ones anyway.
right.
You could literally just, somebody took the
Look at
wrong.
They did.
Those are the crappy converters.
Well, they're the easy ones to get, yeah.
Yeah, they took the wrong ones.
Okay, I'm gonna bid right now.
Yeah. You should.
Okay. Ugh. She's gonna have a new home. It may not be my home, but it'll be a home. And look, is this nitrogen
Yes.
when they're green?
Yeah.
Well, that one's black. Maybe they just found a green thing. Okay. Look at the clouds. That's gorgeous. You know, that's one thing Oklahoma does have. Under the right filter and sunsets. They're gorgeous. And look what they were shining on. Look. I've already forgotten about the E320. No, I could never forget about that. But look at the new love of my life.
haven't.
This is the new love of my life. Isn't that gorgeous?
I think
Audi
you should get it.
A6 3.0T supercharged.
Is it a Quattro? No, it's not a Quattro.
No, it is Quattro.
It is a Quattro.
It is a Quattro, four-wheel drive.
Ooh.
Even better, so it'll get me to work in the snow.
And you can be busting them corners.
That's right,
That's
baby.
three-wheel motion.
I
don't
can
know
I
what
can
that
name her
means.
Snowflake.
Oh, wow.
That's like the really weirdest name ever.
Snowflake. Please name it Snowflake. Please name it Snowflake.
Ah, yeah. But look at that. I've owned one Audi for like a couple of months and I don't know anything about them. That sounds good.
I believe, if I'm not mistaken, on Audis, the timing, if you look up here, you notice you don't see any timing chain components anywhere
Right.
for them to go. Timing chains are in the, see the cover for the timing chain
Oh
right
gosh,
there?
yeah.
The V8s and the 6s have the timing chains on the
In
back.
the back.
Everything for timing is in the back of the motor, so it's an engine out service.
Oh. And it's a belt or a chain?
It's
It's a belt?
Well, you better look. I'm 99.9% sure it's a chain.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that just wouldn't make any sense to put a belt on the back of the
Right.
But it's Audi.
It's a who knows. But I like it. Look how nice this is. Okay, supercharged 2012. Fancy on the inside, black interior. She's still beeping. What is she saying? Oh, turn off ignition. And look, finally for the first time ever, a backup camera. I've never had a backup camera. I've never had a backup camera. I still don't.
The S63 didn't even
No.
come with one.
No, I don't.
was
Still
blown
don't.
away by that.
Yeah. Look at this. It's trying to connect. Oh, the Bluetooth is trying to connect. Look how nice this is, though. We moved it, right? Did you drive it?
No, I don't think I did. If I did, I don't remember. Here, close the door. Go for a ride, man.
Here, let's see.
Take her for a spin.
Yeah, hold foot. We'll go 1 foot. We'll go forward. Ooh. And we'll go backwards. The only thing about this car, Randy's going to show up in the back of the camera. Is he? The only thing about this car, it smells like old school shaving cream. Whatever that old school red and white can shaving cream, that's what this car smells like. But I love it. I like it.
You're not going to believe this.
What?
$1,300 pure sale.
For this? No way.
It's a pure sale at $1,300.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Is it really?
Really. Current bid $1,300. Estimated value $13,000. Pure sale. So whatever it sells for, it sells.
Wow.
It ain't gonna go for $1,300.
Right.
But you might just be able to get a hell of a deal on it.
Okay. How do you turn it off? Oh, right here.
Starts over there.
Oh, it's over here. All right, look at that.
And look,
Okay.
did you see the
Oh. Do you see that disappear?
the numbers come and go on the? See that blank?
This right
There,
here?
it lights up with numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess it's a phone or something. I don't know.
What?
It's got navigation too.
I don't know what to look at first, the numbers or the radio thing coming
You
up.
should
Look at
push
that.
nav and see if it looks better than your Mercedes. Yeah, it's pretty nice, I'd say.
That's 100 times better.
Look at
This-
the sky in the background.
This has roads the Mercedes doesn't even know about.
No.
Because the Mercedes doesn't know about the Kickapoo Turnpike or
No.
anything after 08. Look at that. Now, what
This
is
is real
this?
nice.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
those are radios.
Okay. Presets.
Oh, look at that. Okay. And I don't know how to turn the sound down. Okay, so we'll turn it off. Blah 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 blah. Okay.
I do not own the copyright
No,
to
right.
this music.
I like this. Man.
It's an insane deal.
Okay. Very nice. Loving the supercharged. All right, we got to go here. That's how you do it in the news business. Wind in front. That's going to do it for my second walk around, thanks to this guy right here, Mr. Randy St. John. Absolutely best guy in the world, even though he cannot twerk. Okay. We want to say thanks.
Practice you do, Mike. I'm sorry.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and a huge thank for this guy because he built my channel for me. And it continues to grow. So say goodbye, Randy.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.